This is Abigail Potts in the fall of 2015 doing the School Library Web Presence Evaluation. I'll be evaluating the Blue Valley High School Library Media Center's webpage. For question number 1, we were to look at 5 stakeholders. The first stakeholder would be the principal. For the principal, the library events page would be relevant to their job because that way they could keep up with what was going on in the library. I believe that this part of the webpage was lacking. Principals need to know what's going on in their schools, and a more concrete schedule or calendar would have been helpful. If this were my library webpage, I would provide a monthly calendar with events happening before and after school hours in the library. I would show events such as classes that reserve the library, student groups coming in, or special events that involve community members. Unfortunately, on this page, all there is a Veterans Writing Project that has information for that, and then a jazz lunch all the way from 2011. For the classroom and specialist teachers, they would find help in the database section. Teachers in Common Core classrooms, as well as some electives, will use the library databases to do research for classroom projects. The Blue Valley High Library webpage has all of the databases it is subscribed to, as well as access for students to get on them after school. By providing teachers this resource, they can provide scholarly research for their students. For the students, find a book would be helpful. When clicked, this link says webpage not available. This page would be a great resource for any student at any grade level. Students need to be able to search their library online for books and resources that they need. For it to be down is a great disservice to students and teachers. Students could be using this link to search for books for classroom research, pleasure reading, or perhaps to find a sequel to a great book that they had previously read. The Find a Book webpage would be a great resource, but needs to be checked on regularly to make sure it's up and running. For parents and family, they could click on About Us. It is very important for librarians to stay in contact with parents so that they are informed of library practices and information. The About Us webpage provides the physical building location, the phone number and fax number, the staffing, library hours, collection information, as well as frequently asked questions. This could be very beneficial for parents so that they could know a little bit more about the library. For the community, Web 2.0 tools could be helpful. Many community members would never think to visit the high school library webpage, but if they were to do so, this would be a great webpage for them. On the 2.0 tools page, the Blue Valley High librarian provides 36 Web 2.0 tools that could be used. These are not only valuable to students and teachers, but community members could utilize them as well. For example, Google Docs, Google Forms, Picasa, Skype, Type with Me, Twitter. All of these could be useful for community members. Questions 2 and 3 will be answered on the next video.